guys, Javier 412 here, and just a little update on the Lowrider bike build. I got a new video for you guys, hope you guys enjoy. And we got some new things for the bike, so let me flip the camera and let me show you guys. Alright, so if you can tell what I got for it already, we got some of these mirrors. I forgot the name of them. But yeah, these mirrors clamp onto your handlebars. Oh, and a big thing. Alright, I don't know if I had this in the last... No, you guys haven't seen this bike yet. But yeah, this is the bike that I was talking about, and a few new things. But this style fork, or not fork, frame, is basically what a Lowrider bike is. It's a 26-inch. The tires right there and rim are 26. If you guys want to try to build one yourself, look for a frame that has this bolt that you put it in. Not like what bike can I show you? Not like these. Oh, you can't see that. Not like on. You want it to be. You want it so that you can put it in, like you pull it inwards. Not like those other ones where you pull it out, like where it's straight like that. I can try it on this bike over here. Like this, where the bolt, where you pull it back to tighten the chain, where it's like open. You want it where you insert the tire inwards. Don't mind the stroller. But yeah, things that I replaced on this bike already are the handlebars. Sorry. These are the original handlebars. You can see. And I put these ape hanger handlebars on them. Honor, or whatever you want to call it. This is a it's a Huffy Santa Fe 2 beach cruiser. 2003. That's what this frame is. But yeah, there's either a Schwinn or Huffy. The only two brands I know that sell this style frame with the two supports right here, I guess they're called. But yeah, these mirrors. Hey, using two mirrors on each side, some ape handlebars, and yeah. So, you know, just a quick little video. If you don't know how to put these on, it's basically a bolt, and you take the bolt out from here, and the clamp itself just goes on over the handlebars, and you put this in, a stem with this bolt on top, and you just put the bolt on the threads right here, and twist it until this clamp, well, clamps. Same thing for the other one, out of focus, sorry. And the grips, it's not focusing. Okay, there we go. The grips, I have a tip for you. If you guys are putting on all rubber grips on your bike handlebars, put a little bit of rubbing alcohol on these, in them, and this will go on there like with nothing. But if you use too much alcohol, guys, these become too like slippery. Like this one, it went on right away because I put too much alcohol, but this one, we didn't use any alcohol, and this one took a little bit more elbow grease to put on. So definitely use a little alcohol, but not too much, or else this took at least like 4 days for it to fully dry and be lit and not move, because back it didn't like, it wasn't stiff, it would like move, slide off with no pressure needed. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for this series. This is the bike, and yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.